In this video, we will speak Bitcoin's explosion, its lowest factor, and where it might go if we do not hold seeing the upside. You're going to like what I'm about to say, so we're going to research what Grayscale is doing due to the fact we're going to see another XRP ETF quickly. We're also going to see a Lidcoin ETF. Folks, the arrival of the ETFs suggests enormous institutional involvement on this bull cycle, which we in brief discussed in the first video today. We'll revisit this topic as I'm about to present the ultimate doomsday situation that you have to be vigilant about and carefully display if it comes to pass. In the last 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has reduced by means of 74%. As of proper now, Ethereum is trading at $2,600. At the instant, Ethereum is down 2%. At the moment, USDT and USDC are both trading at 99 cents. In assessment, XRP has multiplied through 5 to 7%. So with a 2 to 7% advantage over the last day, this is higher than it changed into this morning. Within the following 30 days, I'm searching ahead to the change from red to experienced. In 2025, these are the two possible effects. Is there now a possibility that the records will trade? Data can of root be altered at any time. But considering that we lately met in Carolina, I promise to keep you knowledgeable approximately the modern day facts. I received this from Keith for the Stay webcast remaining nighttime. The green highlights are for these two conditions. Are you interested by this inexperienced line? I make an apology, however, the advent of the pink line is undesirable. I firmly believe in XRP. I firmly believe that XRP will surpass its previous height. Even if we simply spoil an all-time excessive from right here, we are looking at a 6xx go back. When an asset yields a six-fold return, no one may be sad. The stock marketplace, most effective, generates a yield of 8 to 10% yearly, you spot. Our intention is to reap a 600% average return. It must no longer offend every person. Facts are what they are. The income capacity is high. You can take out $60,000 if you make investments $10,000. You can take out more than $1 million greenbacks in case you invest $100,000,000. When you invest $1 million and get $6 million, it's pretty gratifying. I am conscious that not all and sundry has 1 million greenbacks invested. However, it is important to comprehend the figures and set realistic dreams. The next big step in Canary Capital's ETF method is its utility for Bitcoin ETF. Yesterday, I provided a chart illustrating the inflows into the Bitcoin ETF. We'll be showing the XRP ETF inflows in 2025. We predict that this grayscale will become the price of XRP rises in tandem with the amount of institutional funding we receive and the quantity of ETFs we purchase. We will use Solana, XRP, and Avalanche to transform their cash into an ETF. According to the file, Grayscale Investments has requested authorization to turn its virtual massive cap fund, which contains Solana XRP, into a trade-traded fund, ETF. The fund's portfolio also includes Bitcoin and a theoretical investment. This is huge. This represents the third ETF available for XRP. I'll repeat, greater ETFs imply greater institutional capital and higher prices. The overall ETF flows have crowned 20 billion. The Bitcoin ETF is now receiving 20 billion greenbacks. Take into attention that the rate of XRP presently is $1.20. This quantity of institutional money, whether or not invested every day or on a mean foundation, is sizable. Joe, even if we blanketed every XRP holder in the marketplace, we wouldn't have $20 billion to invest. And I accept as true with the average XRP is around 16 XRP. It's peanuts. We still don't have 20 billion, even though we matter all XRP holders international. Dr. Profit says, I want you to apprehend why Bitcoin may not move decrease than 48,000 ever again. I don't even suppose we have 1 million, so take into account the 20 billion with the intention to trade the fee of XRP via ETFs. He asserts that the approval of the Bitcoin ETF caused a price damage above $48,500, signaling the beginning of the golden bull section. Significant traders from the traditional monetary and monetary industry started out to take part in Bitcoin at that point while it broke its all-time excessive for the first time. At the instant, the rate degrees from $48,000 to $74,000. Remember, my target rate for Bitcoin is $74K, and I assume it to upward push further during the subsequent segment of this bull run. He predicts that conventional marketplace buyers will use this as their access point and will aggressively lessen the charge. For the upcoming bear important, the approaching endure market, this location of the golden bull may be especially close to the lowest of the Bitcoin price. BlackRock investors will do all of their energy to guard this place, which serves as their entry factor. BlackRock investors regard the regions at 48 and 52,000, knowing who sold those ensures that the institutions might not enjoy financial losses, liquidation, or a decrease in their return on investment. There is a big marketplace hole, as I indicated earlier then. If this gap stays unfilled, the market is in all likelihood to enjoy a sharp drop accompanied by using an upswing. Closing this hole will essentially eliminate traders' lengthy holdings in Bitcoin. Allow me to study this depend greater carefully. News announcements are stated in this contradictory article. What is the real date on which the Secretary desires to talk about the appeal? That a person filed it at the second implies which you ought to have filed it the day past for the reason that deadline has passed. Others are claiming that it's far Friday. As a non-lawyer, I don't know while the filings will take place, but be cautious. Give it till the end and please supply it till the stop of the day on Friday. Now, not the quit of the workday or the consequently, if the secretary would not put up this by way of day after today at 11:59 p.m., they'll leave out the deadline and push aside the case mechanically. Not filing it dismisses the case and they can't get it again. However, in the meantime, allows wait and look at the outcome. However, prepare yourself as Bitcoin is poised to upward thrust above XRP. Know the numbers, you've got the goal and you've got the price charts. The reality that XRP is trending better than decrease at the charts is great.